Okay, so we're going to draw a small bridge truss to get you practice on making bridge trusses for later. This is definitely not the one you're going to use as your final bridge truss because it wouldn't even cover the span we're using. But this will give you some practice in drawing and then in building bridge trusses for later. So that's what the finished product is going to look like, but we're just going to start from scratch. So first thing, we always draw in parallel projection. Second, let's get to a standard view so we can start drawing. I'm just going to use top for now. I'm going to start with a rectangle that outlines the biggest dimensions of our bridge. In this case, I'm just going to make it 9 inches wide and 5.5 inches tall. So 9, 5.5. Doesn't look very big, so I use zoom extents. Now I'm going to get my guides to set up all of my drawing areas. So first, find the midline, click on the edge, go up to the top. The dot will turn light blue when I reach 4.5 inches. There's my midline. Since I want the top of my bridge to be 6 inches, I'm going to go 3 inches this way. So I type 3, enter, and then I click and drag 3, enter the other way. Now I've outlined sort of the top edges of my bridge. The bottom corners are going to be the bottom edges of my bridge. So I'm going to click and let go, click and let go. I've got one side, click and let go, wait for the red X for the intersection, click and let go for the other side. My bridge has a top chord. It's going to be 3/8 inch. So click on the edge, drag, let go, 3/8, enter. Has a bottom chord. Click on the bottom edge of the bridge. Click, drag. Notice how it's already inferring that I want to go 3/8. Now I want to keep that nice pointy edge that Mr. Newbie likes. So I'm going to click, drag, and let go 3/8 inch this way. Click, drag, and let go 3/8 inch that way. Now time to put in my diagonals and verticals. So I'm going to go from the center of this intersection all the way down to the center of the bottom. And I'll do that again from the other side. Wait for the red X, center, click and let go. Wait for the red X, click and let go. Now I can make these as thick as the tubes are going to be. So I'm going to click and drag, but I'm going to go 3/16. I'm going to do that for each of these because this is my center line, so I need to make each of these half of a tube thick in either direction. Okay, at this point, get that last one in there, I'm now ready to draw with the line tool. So I'm going to start from the outside, go from my endpoint all the way up, make sure I get all the way to the top, do it again on the other side, top to bottom. Then I'm going to fill in all the interior triangles, corner to corner, just click and let go. Okay, corner to corner. And you can tell if you've gotten a nice closed triangle because those dark lines, when they become a closed shape, become nice thin lines. So follow through. And I think I've drawn all the pieces of my bridge. Just click on it. You can see that part of it's selected. I'm just going to hit the delete key. It's the one that says delete on it. By clicking and deleting, you get rid of all of the parts of the bridge I don't want. I'm going to go to View, shut off my guides, and then erase those last couple extraneous lines. Now I have a nice, simple, small bridge truss that I can use to practice building bridges.